Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Well, today Summer and I are going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go down here to the beach and we're going to look for some sand fleas. We're going to try to get enough sand fleas to put away for the winter time. So when I'm looking for sheepshead bait, I'll already have some frozen, because last year I ran into a couple times when I didn't have no bait and I couldn't go sheepshead fishing because there was no bait to be bought at any of the bait stores. Everybody was out and I couldn't find feather crabs, couldn't find sand fleas, and when I did go, I had to go look for mud crabs, which I don't like doing that, because if you make a mistake and you get a small stone crab instead of a mud crab, you can get in a lot of trouble. So I kind of stay away from that if I can. So we're going to go today, see if we can't load up on some sand fleas, because I've been hearing that the sand fleas are really thick right now. A couple of my friends have already been out and got 5-gallon buckets of sand fleas and put them away for the sheephead season, so we're going to do the same. So right now, Summer and I are heading to the beach, and hopefully we'll get some, guys. Hopefully we'll get some. See you out there, y'all. Guys, we're down here at the beach and I see a few right here. Yeah, I see a whole bunch of them right here. Yeah, there's a bunch of them, Summer. See if we got any. Oh, we got a bunch. Look at that. That was easy. Look how easy that was. All right. Well, that's what we're after, guys. Some sand fleas, or mole crabs they call them. That's a good little first hit. It's a really good little first hit. Go rinse that out for me. Put a little bit of water in there. Very cool. That was actually pretty easy. That's tons of them. They are all over the place. Awesome. Get a little bit of water in here, just a little bit. Sand fleas? Yes.
What do you do with those?
Use them for sheepshead bait. They're awesome bait. Awesome bait, yes. Alright, there's a whole bunch of them right here, so we'll wait for the water to come up. And now we'll just scrape. There we go. See how I did on that one. Yeah, a couple. Yeah, didn't do that good at all.
Away I go.
Yeah, Summer's gonna go. I don't want to get my phone wet. Well, I got one. See what we can do here. There we go. Got a couple that time. Yeah, I got a couple more. Alright. There we go. Got a couple. Getting a few in there. Getting a few. I should have got a bunch this time. Oh yeah, I did good that time. Look at that. Look at them all right there. Alrighty. Yeah, there's a bunch of them out here. Let me show you what you look for, how you know there's sand fleas there. as it goes out. See all these little bubbles, these little V's? Those are all sand fleas. There's a huge patch of them right here. Huge patch. Yep, I got them that time. There's a huge patch of them right there. I got a couple. Some good sized ones too. That's all sand fleas right there. So watch this. Look at that. There they are. They're all those sand fleas. Right there. They're everywhere. Alright guys, well we're getting a few. We're getting some good ones. Got a couple bags out of here, probably about 2 or 3 bags worth. Nice sized ones. Might give it about another 30 minutes and then I think we're going to go ahead and call it. All I'm doing guys is just walking down the beach, so I see a whole bunch of them. There's a whole herd of them right up here. So we should do pretty good right here. Look at all them. That's all sand fleas, guys. Holy cow. Yeah, we should do good right here. Wait for the tide to go out and then rake. We should have done good there. We should have. There's one right there. Get that one. Should have did good. Yeah, we did okay. We didn't do great. We did okay. Thought we'd have done better. Look at all of them. Man, there's a ton of them. A whole bunch of them right here. See what happens there. There we go. A couple. Alright guys, well this is what I was using. This is just a sand flea rake. Pretty easy little thing. It's got a curve in it. They're pretty inexpensive. You can get them at any local bait and tackle shop, especially here in this area. And this is what we got, guys. We're only out there for about an hour. We got a little bit, not a whole lot, but this actually will go a lot further than you realize. I'm only going to put 50 in a bag. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So right there is about 50. And honestly, that's all you really need to go for a day of sheepshead fishing, because you will have other bait. Like I'll always bring these out with me once I get my fiddler crabs or whatever. I usually get like 50 fiddler crabs and that usually lasts me pretty much all day. So here's 50 sand fleas. So I'm gonna go ahead and bag up the rest and we'll see how much we got. All right guys, well I got 5 bags. I got 250 sand fleas, which isn't really that bad. That's at least 5 trips right there. That's 5 days of sheepshead fishing, which that's not bad at all. Maybe even longer, because if I don't use them all, I'll just bring them home and refreeze them. Alright guys, well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Just a real quick video, something different. Out there putting a little bit of bait away for the winter time, for sheepshead season. Now a lot of people do blanch their sand fleas real quick, put them in boiling water and they turn like an orange color, which that's really good for pompano, because they like that orange color. They kind of key in on that orange color. But for sheepshead, I don't really like to do that. I like to leave them the way they are. They will turn black. When I thaw them out throughout the day, they will turn black, and that's fine. The sheephead do not mind that whatsoever. I almost think they kind of like it even better. Gets a little bit of odor on them, and they like it. They really do. So I don't blanch mine when I'm fishing for sheepshead, but if I was to be saving these for pompano, I would blanch them. That'd be something that I would do. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today and going to do this, hanging out at the beach, catching a few baits for the sheepshead season. Until I get to see you all again, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, for being a part of this channel, hitting those like buttons, commenting on the comment feeds. You guys are awesome, and I truly appreciate you guys. Till I see you all again here soon, tight lines, Jetty Rockers. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.